Hey, so deeper dive today on the barstool leg of assets. What do I need in assets to get this loan approved? You're going to need down payment money. You're going to need closing cost money, attorney fees, bank fees, etc. And then you're going to need your money for your taxes and your insurance. All of that together is the amount of money you got to have to close. We call it cash to close. A lot of that money can be a gift. If you're buying a primary home or a second home, it's got to be a gift from a family member. Bank's going to want to document it. And you want to check with your lender to make sure that you've got enough of your own funds into the deal relative to the amount you're getting in a gift. What, in terms of those funds that you've got to have, what do they need to be? Where can they come from? Well, any funds that you can use, liquid funds that you can take from a checking or a savings or a mutual fund or investment would count. And money that you would borrow that's secured. So say you got an equity line on another home that you own, you want to borrow some funds on it to put towards the down payment on a second home that you're buying or another rental property that you're buying. Yeah, you can use those funds too. You can't use unsecured funds on a loan, unsecured loans, for the monies towards a down payment, so be careful there. Down payment amounts are going to vary widely. If you're buying a primary home, there's loans you could get qualified for that are 0% down. If you're buying a second home or an investment property, that's going to jump up 10%, 15%. Jumbo loans are going to require normally higher down payment amounts. It depends on the investor. So that is, in a nutshell, the monies that you're going to need to have to close. A lot of times you'll have sellers that are willing to offer some concessions to help offset some of that. It's not going to offset your down payment, but in a seller concession or a credit, that can count towards your closing fees and taxes and insurance. So in a lot of cases, that can be a great help to you as a buyer. If you got any questions, give me a shout.